Hello everyone, this is Simran from Max International School. Welcome in your English class. In this video, I am going to tell you how to pronounce the hard and soft sound of letter C and G. Okay student, in English letter C has two sounds. Sometimes it sounds like S, sometimes it sounds like K. That's because S is the soft sound and K is the hard sound. Here are some examples of soft sound. Price, center. And here are some examples of hard sound. Cat, coat. Likewise, letter G also has two sounds. Sometimes it sounds like J, sometimes it sounds like G. That's because J is the soft sound and G is the hard sound. Here are some examples of soft G. Jump, gym. Here are some examples of hard sound of G. Gas, glue. Okay student, how do you know which one is? Let me tell. Students, when C and G is followed by E, I or Y, use the soft sound. When letter C and G is followed by E, I or Y, use the soft sound. Okay, when C and G is followed by other letters rather than E, I or Y, use the hard sound. Students, when C and G is followed by other letters rather than E, I or Y, use the hard sound. Here are some examples of letter C's soft sound and hard sound. S is the soft sound of letter C. Voice, city, IC. Okay student, here we use the soft sound because letter C is followed by E, I or Y. This is the hard sound of letter C. K. Close, document, catch. Students, here we use hard sound of letter C because C is followed by other letters rather than E, I or Y. Now look at the hard and soft sound of letter G. Here is the soft sound J. Danger, giraffe, biology. Okay, here we use the soft sound because G is followed by E, I or Y. This is the hard sound of letter G. G. Grateful, garden, goat. Student, here we use hard sound because G is followed by other letters rather than E, I or Y. Students, rules do not work 100% all the time. There are exceptions to previously discussed rules. These exceptional words are phonetically irregular. So we must memorize these words as sight word. For example, muscle, gear, girl, give, tiger. All these are some example of sight words. Thank you. Have a good time.